The Cricut Joy 2 is here. It's cheaper, lighter, and can do something the original Joy could never do. But does that mean you should upgrade? Or are they basically the same machine? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if the Joy 2 is for you. Before we dive in, real quick, I'll be going through what's the same, what's different, the size, the weight, the new features, and at the end of the video, I'll let you know who I think should upgrade and who should just stay with the Joy and save their money. So let's get crafting. The original Joy launched in 2020 and it was a huge deal. It was Cricut's first compact cutting machine. It was perfect for small spaces, quick projects, small projects, and just recently Cricut released the Cricut Joy 2 alongside their Cricut Explorer 5. So what's actually really changed? The first thing you'll notice is they have two totally different designs. The Cricut Joy has a clamshell lid that goes over the whole machine to protect it, while the new Cricut Joy 2 is a completely open design, very modern. Before I get to what's new, I want to make sure I cover what hasn't changed with the new machine, because that matters a lot for people who are thinking about upgrading. Both machines have a 4.5-inch cutting width. They both work with 75 plus materials. Think vinyl, iron-on, cardstock, paper, smart materials. Both connect via Bluetooth only. There are no cables for either one of them. And both use Cricut Design Space, which is an app where you build and send your projects to the machines. Both machines have a single tool holder, meaning you can only have one tool loaded at a time. So if you're working on a project that needs cutting and drawing, you'll need to swap out the tools mid-project on both machines. Neither machine has a power button. You plug it in and it automatically turns on. You unplug it and it turns off. Very simple. And here's something that will make the original Joy owners happy. Your existing mats, materials, accessories are still compatible with the Joy 2. Your fine point blade still works. Your card mat still works. You're not starting from scratch. Okay, here's where things get exciting. The Joy 2 has some significant upgrades. There are two that are really big ones for me. Now, the first new feature I am so excited to show you is the Joy 2 can now print and cut. As you can see, it printed out and it has these dotted lines here where we need to trim it to be able to put it into the Cricut Joy 2. And so that's where having a cutter comes in handy. So just line it up as best you can. And again, you can use the original Joy mats. So we're just gonna go ahead and put one of these on there. Just make sure it's on there good. Now that it's done cutting, just flip over the mat, pull the mat away from the sticker sheets, and there you have it. Your first set of stickers on your new Cricut Joy 2. Now this second new feature is a big one. The original Joy nor the Joy Extra can do this, and that is scoring. Yes, you need a different tool for this, but if you buy a Joy 2 bundle, it comes with it. Now when you want to score, you just take out the knife blade and put in the scoring blade and just hit go on Cricut Design Space, and you have a perfectly scored piece of paper. There's two other changes worth mentioning. First, the blade. The Joy 2 uses a new integrated blade housing. So instead of replacing the blade tip, you replace the whole housing unit when it wears out. It's a cleaner, safer process, especially for new beginners, though it may cost a bit more over time since you're replacing more material. The second, and this one really surprised me, the Joy 2 is actually cheaper than the original Joy at launch. The original Joy debuted at $179. The Joy 2 comes in at just $99, which is a big difference. The original Joy measures 8.4 inches wide, 4.25 inches tall, and weighs only 3.85 pounds. And now the Joy 2 measures 9.1 inches wide, 5.2 inches tall, and just 2.7 pounds. Bigger footprint, but somehow weighs lighter. That open body design really makes a difference. Okay, the moment you've all been waiting for. Should you upgrade from the original Joy to the Joy 2? If you're an original Joy owner and have been wanting to make stickers and other print and cut projects and have been frustrated that this machine can't do that, yes, it's 100% worth the upgrade to the Joy 2. That feature alone changes everything you can make. If you're an original Joy owner that uses this machine mainly for vinyl labels, basic card making with a card mat, iron-on projects, you're probably fine to stick with the original Joy. The Joy 2 won't change your workflow in a meaningful way, so save your money. If you're new to Cricut and you're deciding between the original Joy, which might still be on sale, and just the Joy 2 machine itself at $99, I say go with the Joy 2. It's newer, it's lighter, it can do more, so there's no reason not to. So that's everything you need to know about the Cricut Joy versus the Joy 2. If this video helped you make a decision, drop a comment below on which machine you decided to go with. And if you're new here and want more Cricut tutorials and honest machine reviews, make sure you hit subscribe. I have a whole playlist of Cricut content to help you get the most out of your machines. So until next time, stay crafty.